So today I want to do something different. I want to showcase a local toy maker called Dave Fuse Imaginarium. I bought quite a bit of his work already, and I'm a huge fan of what he's doing, and I'm probably going to buy more in the future. And I thought, why not showcase some of the stuff I bought from him? So yeah, with that being said, let's take a look at them. First up is his Death Kitten series. Now I think this is his mascot because it's on his logo. And there is lore behind these, but you would have to visit his Instagram page if you want to know. And of course, I have each of these signed and dated, I guess. Has some mixed media here, feather and some string. This is very clean 3D printing, which is very hard to find where I'm from, because the 3D printing I keep seeing has these lines, right? But his one, it's super clean. So yeah, this is his Death Kitten. There are different sizes. I think I bought the small version, but there are larger versions, or you could PM him and make him like, I think he does really big ones if you PM him. The next one is this. I bought this one later on. Again, there's two, I believe there are two sizes for this. I got the large one. Of course, signed. I just really like how really clean his 3D printing is. So yeah, this is his Death Kitten series. Let's see the next one. And this is his Cobo Tumosi series. That might be wrong. I have to research that later. But yeah, this is a red version. I got two, one red, one blue, just to have contrasting colors. Do some close-ups here. Now, I'm not familiar with 3D modeling, but I'm pretty sure this must have taken him a fuck ton of time to do, especially the weathering. Now, I think these are based off of rhino beetles, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, there's the red one. And there's the blue one. This is more cleaner, not so weathered. You can see his shell's all clean. His skirt, I guess, is clean. You can see the shine of the paintwork. Just to show you the back of each one, so you can see it's weathered in one. I never noticed that until today when I was like looking at them closely. So there are subtle differences between the two. So yeah, I might get more of these, maybe two more, but we'll see. Now with these, there are two sizes, big one, which I got, and there are small ones. So yeah, I'll show you that right now. So here are the small ones. I'm just gonna show you one because they're basically identical. So I got a gold, green, and blue one, and I really like these guys. I might get even more of these. I don't know why. They're just so funky looking. I'll show you the green one. I really like the green one. So yeah, this is his Cobo Tumosi series. I might have butchered the name. It's a pretty weird name. So let's see the next ones. And there are some Star Wars inspired ones as well. So here we have the speeder guy here. It's two pieces. I might have to stick that on the bike in case he falls. So you can see his face. It's a very cute looking thing. It's all weathered and stuff. I think this is because I asked him to weather everything. I don't know whether the ones he produces for conventions are weathered like this. As you can see, yeah. I wish there was a flight stand for this guy, you know, so it's easier to display him. Might have to buy something later for that. Maybe a what do you call it? Yeah. Figure art stand or something. So that's the speeder. And then we have the at dog. I really like this guy. I think this is my second purchase from him. Again, it's all nicely weathered. Very clean 3D printing as usual. So yeah, this is the 2 Star Wars concepts. Next up, we have his 2 TIE interceptors. There is 2 versions, big and small. So I got 2 of them because I like the colors. So I bought both. Why not buy 2? I bought this year. I think I ordered these from him through Instagram a while ago. But yeah, this is the pilot. There we go. As a face, that's his theme with vehicles. Put faces on them. Signature there. And yeah, this is the big version of the TIE Interceptor. Next up we have the small one, which is technically the same, it's just different color and different size. Pew, 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 pew. Very nice, clean work here. Yeah. So those are the Star Wars ones I have so far from him. Next up, now this is the biggest one I've bought from him, which is the Metal Gear Rex. I believe this is what you would call this. And yeah, this is massive. And it does come with its own stand. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a rotation here. Because he's put together with blue tack. I haven't secured him yet with glue. But yeah, this is his interpretation of Metal Gear Rex in his format. What do you guys think? Yeah. Maybe I'll do some close-ups. Maybe not drop him. So it's a close-up of his face, I guess. So it's weathered quite nicely. Not too much, not too little, you know. In places where it counts. Then you have his little cannon here, signed as well. Yeah, so this is his Metal Gear Rex. Now I don't know as of now if he made 2 sizes for this, but I think there's only one, which is this large scale. So yeah. And that's about it, really. So with that being said, let's see them all together. And this is basically everything I've gotten from Dave Few's Imaginarium thus far. And this collection is only going to get even bigger as time goes by because he keeps creating stuff and I keep buying it. And his stuff he's creating so far, it looks like it's getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, so I might have to find a new place for these guys soon. So yeah, what do you guys think? I really like to support these guys, like original art, original toy makers, because we don't get enough of them where I come from. And when I stumble across a stall or a booth that sells these guys, I immediately just, I pick them up. So yeah, with that being said, let's do some close-ups. So I'm just gonna do some slow pans just to recap on what these guys look like up close. All the detail, paintwork, stuff like that, sculpt work. Now I don't know if he does international shipping, but you could always ask him on Instagram, link in description. And he gave me some free pins as well. That's his logo. And yeah, that's about it really. So with that being said, let's try and find a place for them in my room. And this is basically where I'll store all of Dave Fuse's figures I've bought thus far. As you can see, I had to buy a display case for them because of how many and how big these guys are. So yeah, if you guys want to know more or want to order your own, his link is in description. And hit him up and see what he can do for you. So yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching. And as always, go get 'em.